Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the YouTube app Shorts button permanently. Don't like the Shorts button on YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Shorts button permanently using different methods. So let's dive into these first few steps. The first step is to install YouTube updates, and this works on Android only. And to do that, just go to Settings and go to Apps. Let's go to Apps and search for YouTube. For the YouTube app, use the search bar for an easier access. I'm just gonna write YouTube, and here you can install the updates. This reverts YouTube to an older version without the Shorts button. The second step is to use a modified YouTube app, and this is for advanced users. Android users can install YouTube Advanced or Revanced to customize their experience. These apps remove Shorts completely and break back the old layout. The third step is to block Shorts by using YouTube browser mode. And to do that, instead of the app, open YouTube on Chrome or Safari, depending on which device you're using. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use Chrome. I'm just gonna type in YouTube. Now when I open YouTube in my Android device, it directly forward to the YouTube app. But if you use it, you won't be this option will not be available unless you approve it. Now the Shorts button is not available in the browser version. As for the fourth step is to use restricted modes, which is a temporary fix. And to do that, just open YouTube settings. Let's go to YouTube's app and click on your profile picture and click on the gear icon and go to General and turn on restricted mode. This can sometimes limit Shorts from appearing, but it's not a permanent fix. YouTube doesn't allow Shorts removal permanently, so updates may bring it back. If Shorts reappear, repeat the steps or use alternative YouTube clients. iPhone users have limited options. Using YouTube in Safari is the best workaround. And now you know how to remove the YouTube Shorts button permanently. Use these tricks to enjoy YouTube without Shorts interruption. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.